Yo, what's good? It's your boy TRENT, and I'm back one more again. This time I'm back with New Music Fridays. Of course, it's not Friday, but this is the newest songs or singles that came out this weekend, and we about to react to them. Unlike the other YouTubers and reactors, I do not skip the song. I do not pause the song. I listen to the whole song, and at the end, I give my commentary. I grade each song from 0 to 10, 10 being the best. So if it's a trash song, you already know that's 5 and below. If it's mid, average, okay, that's a 6. Now, if it's a good song, depending on me and y'all, that's 7 to 10. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video so y'all can give y'all grade. You dig? And make sure y'all follow me on every social media. I'm live right now on 4 different apps. You dig? So make sure y'all follow me on every social media. That's Lit Trent Music, spelled the same way as my channel. And we're going to catch some vibes on Twitch after this. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all lock in. And yeah, this is first time here.
Fucking paying and going a bunch and making reaction vids. I hate you niggas that make reaction vids.
This is Yachty. Let's get on their ass. I'm not playing that game. Y'all know that game. Stay to the end.
I'm finna get mean. Turn up the circus. Turn it up. Yeah, I'm tryna break his spine. I'm tryna pull me an 8, yeah. I'm tryna pull me it down. I'm tryna order a crate, yeah. He never brought me no lines. We finna get on the ass. We finna get on the ass. We finna get on the ass. Right. Give me person, nigga, I'm poppin'. I'm making the calls, I'm pulling the things, I'm getting a drop. Well. Red shells. The piss can't do nothing to me. The pussy is bitch from the dude. Ain't sure she came from the boonies. Like fuck it, I said it gon' show me. It's all I did it, they owe me.
Yeah.
Fucking them up, scrubbing their ass. I ran them in and spray on glass. Fuck, niggas ain't got no paper. They go on the water, don't run on the money. Got a pan here, yo. Man, you tripping, buddy. Throwing it up in the ego. Shooting at me like a free throw. Man, back some songs of Vito. I'm running my twin caught up. I still put the drugs in the cargo. They bills ain't one of my car notes. These bitches is Bible, Marco. Money don't I know. Yup. Got money got my help. Yeah, I'm tryna break his spine. I'm tryna pull me an 8, yeah. I'm tryna pull me it down.
Yeah.
I'm tryna order a crate, yeah. He never.
Hey, this the only reason I'm about to stop it right there. This is the only reason. Lately I've been reacting to a lot of music, a lot of good music, a lot of not so good music, and I haven't been giving out a lot of 10s. And let me be real with y'all. I always say a 10 is a perfect song. To me, this isn't a perfect song, but it's damn near perfect. You know what I'm saying? So, and the reason why I want to say this also is because even though I'm not giving it a 10, I have to run it back. That whole hard. Like, I was going in this mode, no expectations. You know what I'm saying? He got in that futuristic vibe, that Playboy Cardi vibe. And Lil Yachty know how to, like, I've been fucking with a lot of Lil Yachty music as of lately. To me, if it's not a 10, 0 out of 10, it's a 9.9. 0 out of 10, it's a 9.9. Tell me what y'all think about this song. Y'all already know it's damn near 10, so I gotta damn near run it back. They're hard. They're hard. Lil Yachty, get on their ass.
I'm finna get mean.
2 times, yeah.
Turn up the circus. Turn it up.
Shout out to everybody on live.
Yeah, I'm tryna break
Make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm tryna pull me it down. I'm tryna order a crate.
bodega. Yeah. All right, this video already long as hell. Y'all already know I gave it a 9.9. I ran it back because it was damn near 10. I want to know what y'all think about it. Lil Yachty fans, make sure y'all subscribe because I'm be checking out. He's one of them artists that when he drop, I do want to check it out. He different. He stay in his own lane. And musically, I fucks with it. But tell me y'all grade. We about to catch a vibe on a new song, new artist. But make sure y'all subscribe. And don't forget to leave y'all grade. Y'all be doing a lot of what typing. Can't type a number. No. Anywho, click the next video if y'all rocking out. If not,